Hey there, everybody. Robert Taylor with Wonderscape Creations, doing uh, this video before we do the execution calculation video. Um, we are going to go over this MMC example that I have here. If you recall, we have here in the test mod, the strength is using this custom Calc. Um, it's very simple, not much to it. This is literally it. There's no other functions. This is essentially how you can set it up simply. You can do a lot in here if you wish. I just wanted to make sure that you understood, um, generally speaking, how this works. Um, some things to note: you use get capture attribute magnitude. When you get it, you're going to see this right here. This, I spent like 2.5 days trying to get this to change. I couldn't. This always stayed how it was, or it was just attribute underscore 00. It removed those things. Wasn't worth it. In the future, I may figure it out, but for now, all you have to do is drag out of it and promote to a variable to get what you need. If we come in here into the default classes here, as you can see, I have my strength, which is attribute.primary.strength. You'll have to also make sure relevant attributes to capture is set attribute.primary.strength. And this one is for the source. You don't want to snapshot it. So that is everything that for Calcs. Now you may be wondering, well, why don't we snapshot it? I've said it in a couple of episodes before, but I'll say it now here. Snapshot is for when you don't want the data to change that is going to the character. Because MMCs are usually used to modify other attributes, you want those to change dynamically. So you don't want the snapshot. That's why. So that's everything for MMCs, and I will see you in the next video.